A lot of soap makers still think that before you can produce a tablet soap or a laundry bar soap, you need to add numerous quantity of chemicals. In this video, I will show you how I produce this soap with just 3 ingredients. That is the oil, water, and caustic soda. You can see this my soap is going to lather or produce foam. I didn't add any foaming agent. It's just oil, water, and caustic soda. I will show you how to produce a very simple soap and show you that soap is not actually complicated to produce. Soap is very simple. All you need to know is the basic foundation of how to carry out your measurements. So watch this video and see how I produce this soap that produces this quantity of lather without adding any foaming agent and was made with just oil, water, and caustic soda. Displayed here on my work table is the water, which is 250 grams, and the caustic soda, which is 122 grams. Remember, I said this soap will be made with just what? Oil, water, and what? Caustic soda. Just 3 ingredients. This is to prove that soap is very simple and not complicated the way others make it look complicated by adding numerous quantity of chemicals that are not really necessary. So just watch this video. I have dissolved my caustic soda and I've kept it aside for it to cool down. Then over here are the oils I'll be using. I'll be making use of a hard oil called palm kernel oil, that is 500 grams. Then I'll be making use of a soft oil called groundnut oil, which is 300 grams. Most people know this groundnut oil as peanut oil. It depends on how you call it in your area. We know it here in Nigeria as groundnut oil. If you go to other countries, they call it peanut oil. So I'm going to mix both oils together. And don't forget, I'm making use of 2 types of oil. First of all, I made use of a hard oil, which is the palm kernel oil. Then I'm making use of a soft oil, which is the groundnut oil. So I'll mix both oils together. The 2 types of oil usually complement themselves. They have their purposes, which you will learn if you join my online class. You will learn about types of oil and you will learn how to carry out your own measurements when you join my online class. So I want to pour the caustic soda solution into the oil and mix. Now, one thing about making soap with just 3 chemicals like this is that the soap will not have a nice smell. Reason because you did not add fragrance. And the soap will not really have a nice appearance. Reason because you did not add color. But the soap will behave like every other soap you know in the market. It's going to produce lather or foam and it's going to remove stain. And that is the major purpose of every soap, to produce foam and remove stain. The foam helps for easy washing and the stain helps for removing of dirt from your clothes, your plates, and every other thing you're using to wash. But this soap won't have a good appearance because we didn't add color, and it won't have a good smell because we didn't add fragrance. But this is just to prove that soap is very easy to make. Now after 24 hours, this is the result of the soap we made. You can see soap is actually very simple. It's not complicated. If we added color and fragrance, this soap would have looked like every unique soap in the market. But you all know why I made this video, to prove that soap is actually very easy to make. If you want to learn more about soap making, do well by joining my online class to learn how to make soap like a pro. There you will learn how to mix your caustic soda with the proper measurements, and you will learn about types of colors, you will learn about additives. There's a lot you will learn in my online class. So do well by joining. You learn how to make things like the body cream, the powder detergent, and the liquid soap, the shower gel, the bleach, the Dettol. There's a lot you learn in my online class. So do well by enrolling. Check the description of this video to find the link where you can click on to join our class, or you reach me on the phone numbers I will display on the screen of this video. Chat me on any of those phone numbers to be added to our training group. Just chat me on WhatsApp through any of those phone numbers. Then if you need soap making equipment, we have very unique and beautiful equipment in our workshop. We produce them. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our equipment down to your location. So do well by purchasing equipment from us. We have equipment that beginners need and people that want to go into the soap making business. We have those equipment. So in the next screen, I will show you the pictures of our equipment. Do well by purchasing. So these are the equipment They are virtually very beautiful. You can see how they look like, very unique and very nice. So if you want to go into the soap making business, you can purchase from us. Don't forget, we deliver nationwide. And if this is your first time coming to my page, do well by following me, do well by subscribing. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe. If you're watching on Facebook, please follow me. If you're watching on TikTok, please follow me. And don't forget to purchase equipment from us. Please share this video with your friends, share it with your family, share it with everybody that will benefit from this video. And don't forget to drop your comments, and where you don't understand, ask question in the comment section. And also please like and share this video, very important. Goodbye.